Are you looking for a way to deter break-ins at the very first step before intruders have a chance to put their hands on your front door? Then we have the solution just for you. The Device Smart Night Sabre is a PoE-powered security light with active deterrence. It's more than just a light, it's your first line of defense against intruders. It features an internal PIR sensor that detects movement up to 9 meters away. When motion is detected, the white light kicks in, warning the intruder that somebody is watching. If the intruder isn't deterred, the Night Sabre will then kick into active deterrent mode, where red and blue flashing lights are activated. Pairing Night Sabre with AJAX takes your security to the next level by influencing the behavior of any intruder. Here's how that works. The initial white light acts as a passive deterrent. Most intruders assume that there's still nobody home and keeps moving. But when they cross the AJAX perimeter protection from something like a single outdoor curtain, the relay triggers Night Sabre's flashing red and blue lights. This sudden change surprises and deters the intruder before they've even touched your property. This layered approach not only stops intruders, but it also influences their behavior, making them think twice before attempting to break in. It's an absolute game changer for anybody using AJAX outdoor curtains, motion protects, or motion cams.
Okay guys, so let's take a look at how the solution is all wired together. We've got it all put together on a board here. Starting from the top, you've got your PoE powered Night Sabre, your AJAX relay, your AJAX hub, and your AJAX detector, in this case, the outdoor single curtain, and your PoE switch. Your PoE switch is providing your power to the Night Sabre, which also powers the relay, and it also gives you connection for the network for your hub to be online. So, that's it all wired together. Let's set the scenarios up. Okay, so let's take a look at how we set up these scenarios. Grab your phone, open your AJAX app, and load into your AJAX space that's relevant to your site. On here, we're connected to this one, so we've got our hub, our outdoor curtain, and our relay in our setup. If we go into the relay, we need to make some setting changes so this works in how we want it. Operating mode, bistable, so it gives us an on-off switch. You can set this to pulse if you'd rather, and it gives you the ability to set a specific length of time that the relay is active for, automatically turning off after that time. For this instance, we're going to use bistable. The contact state wants to be set to normally open. We only want the red and blue active deterrents from Night Sabre to trigger when the contacts are closed. If we were to set it to normally closed, every time we arm the system, the contacts would close as red and blue lights would be flashing all the time. Defeats the point. Leave it as normally open. Select onto scenarios, and we need to create 2 different scenarios for our setup. One for when we arm and disarm the system. So, when we arm it, we don't want the relay to do anything, but when we disarm, we want to set that to switch off the relay. And the second scenario is by alarm. So when the detector triggers, if we want it to switch on, we'll just quickly give this a name, so we'll call it Night Sabre, and hit save. So that's our 2 scenarios set up within the app. Now all we need to do is test it. Okay, so we've got the scenario set up and the system is armed. Now all we need to do is break the beam. Straight away, red and blue flashing lights triggering. All we need to do to stop that is disarm via the app. And that's it, you're all set up now with your supercharged AJAX system.
So now that you know how Night Sabre can supercharge your AJAX installations, you're probably wondering to yourself, where can I get my hands on some? Well, luckily for you, we have got plenty of them in stock in the warehouse, and we've even created some really easy to shop bundles on our website. So click the link below to head over to massdigital.com right now. We've put together some easy to shop bundles on our website so that you can supercharge your own AJAX installations with Night Sabre. Click the link below to shop now.